Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here with another Proto Tech Tip, and today we're going to go back to talk about strengthening your sheet metal parts, specifically using tabs and slots when designing to strengthen your corners. So let's get into it. Now at Protocase and Protospace MFG, with the power of high-velocity mass customization, we can custom manufacture your parts and enclosures in just 2 to 3 days. We also take pride in getting your parts made as accurately as possible. When designing sheet metal parts and enclosures, creating strong and dimensionally accurate corners is critical. Weak corners don't just compromise the structural integrity of your design, they can also lead to misaligned assemblies and unnecessary material use. That's where tabs and slots come in. This smart design technique not only reinforces corners, but also simplifies assembly, improves precision, and reduces the need for welding or fasteners. So let's explore why this method is a go-to solution for designers and close with a quick step-by-step guide to incorporate tabs and slots into your next sheet metal design. Tabs and slots might seem simple, but their advantages are immense, particularly for strengthening corners in sheet metal parts. So here's why they're so effective. Precise alignment. Tabs and slots act like puzzle pieces. They fit together to ensure perfect alignment during assembly. When sheet metal parts align correctly, your final product is dimensionally accurate and easier to assemble. This precision significantly reduces issues like misaligned joints and ensures smooth design to manufacturing process. Enhanced rigidity. By locking 2 or more pieces of sheet metal together, tabs and slots provide better structural rigidity. The interlocking nature of these features prevents movement and creates a much more robust connection compared to relying solely on welds, adhesives, or fasteners. Reduced welding and fastening. With tabs and slots, you need fewer welds and fasteners to join parts. For instance, instead of welding the entire length of a corner, tabs can hold pieces in place, allowing for either minimal welds or no welds at all. This reduction lowers costs and minimizes the potential of heat distortion caused by welding. Cost efficiency. Finally, tabs and slots save money. They reduce material waste, there's no additional fasteners required, and they require less welding, and costs go down without compromising any quality. With structural support, good alignment, and faster assembly, tabs and slots are crucial for creating reliable and efficient sheet metal designs. But now that you know why tabs and slots are useful, let me show you what this looks like by adding them to strengthen a corner inside a Solidworks design. Start by evaluating your design and pinpointing which corners will benefit most from tabs and slots. These are often high-stress areas or places where alignment is critical. Design where the tabs and slots should be for maximum structural support. Ideally, the tabs should be placed along one side of the corner piece with corresponding slots on the mating part. Ensure that your tabs and slots allow a snug fit without excessive tightness. A standard rule of thumb is to make the slot width equal to the material thickness to allow for clearance between mating parts and edges. The slot length should be a minimum of 0.25 inches. Next, model the tab to have a clearance of 0.005 of an inch on each side to account for our laser cutting tolerance. And now, after confirming the fit, finalize your design and it gets sent over to our team. Our engineering and design services team will ensure that the tabs and slots are manufacturable for the specific material thickness being used. Tabs and slots are a straightforward yet powerful design feature for improving the strength, alignment, and manufacturability of sheet metal designs. With precise planning during the design phase, you can ensure that your corners stand up to the test of time while keeping the product functional and durable. If you're looking to optimize your designs with expert input, reach out to our team. They can help you refine your design for your exact project requirements. You can reach out to your account manager by filling out the Contact Us form on the website. The links are down in the description below. And that's the end of this week's Proto Tech Tip. Hope you enjoyed this video on the topic of tabs and slots for your designs in sheet metal. Until next time, take care.